morning, Percy. Did I tell you about the time I dug up a whole hoard of Roman coins?
I think you have, Marion. Sorry. I've got cars to deliver. Bye.
Express coming through! Look out! Stop! Oh! Watch where you're swinging that shovel of yours.
Gordon, let me tell you the story of the time I unearthed the fossil of a woolly mammoth.
Not today, thank you. The Express waits for no story.
No appreciation for good old-fashioned dirt, that engine.
Marion had nearly finished repairing the embankment when Thomas arrived. And he loved hearing Marion's stories.
Thomas!
Hello, Marion. You never finished telling me about the time you dug up that treasure chest.
Oh, yes. It was a few years ago in a very interesting area of gravel, and all of a sudden I dug up some pirate treasure.
Wow!
There were rubies and emeralds and a giant diamond as big as your... Ooh, goodness gracious me. I found something. Do you know what this is, Thomas?
It looks like a water pipe.
A pipe? Nonsense. This is a mast from a Viking longship.
I'm pretty sure it's a pipe. Anyway, I'll see you later, Marion. I've got to go.
Yes, I'm quite sure of it. Oh, marvellous mud. What a discovery. Oh, it is a water pipe. Nothing a good shovel full of mud can't fix.
At the very end of Thomas's branch line lies the Farquhar Quarry, one of the oldest quarries on the island of Sodor. Mavis is the diesel engine who works there, shunting troublesome trucks of heavy stone.
Get in line and get ready. We're all heading off to the docks this afternoon.